Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Keeping carpets clean should be effortless, quiet, and chemical-free, especially in busy homes where quick touch-ups matter and storage space is limited. Best manual carpet sweeper options deliver cordless convenience, instant pickup, and performance without batteries, noise, or complicated maintenance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. CLEANHOME Lint Manual Sweeper. The CLEANHOME Lint Manual Sweeper is an excellent solution for anyone looking for a powerful, quiet, and completely non-electric way to keep carpets and rugs clean. Designed especially for pet owners, this manual sweeper goes deeper than ordinary carpet rakes, effectively pulling out embedded pet hair, dust, and crumbs that often get trapped in fibers. Its dual brush system works like a manual vacuum, making it ideal for homes, classrooms, and small spaces where noise and cords are a problem. One of its standout advantages is the silent operation, which allows cleaning during classes, meetings, or even while a baby is sleeping without causing disruption. The self-cleaning brush design, combined with a built-in comb and spare brush, prevents hair tangles and significantly extends the product's lifespan compared to standard sweepers. The push-powered, non-electric design makes it extremely convenient for stairs, RVs, corners, and tight spaces where bulky vacuums struggle. Another practical feature is the large hygienic dustbin that can be emptied with one hand, reducing direct contact with debris. This makes the cleaning process faster and more sanitary. Number 2. MAXLANDER Folding Manual Sweeper. The MAXLANDER Folding Manual Sweeper is a versatile and efficient tool designed primarily for outdoor cleaning tasks, making it an excellent choice for yards, gardens, patios, and driveways. Its impressive 26-inch extra-wide cleaning path allows users to cover large areas quickly, reducing the time and effort needed for routine maintenance. Operated entirely by manual push, this sweeper requires no electricity, fuel, or batteries, ensuring quiet operation and low maintenance costs. This non-electric design also makes it environmentally friendly and suitable for use in enclosed or noise-sensitive spaces. While it is mainly intended for outdoor use, it can also handle smooth indoor surfaces such as garages and workshops, adding to its flexibility. The adjustable angle and height folding handle enhances comfort, allowing users of different heights to operate the sweeper without strain. When not in use, the folding handle design makes storage and transportation simple and space-saving. Another major advantage is the large 6.3-gallon collection hopper, which can hold a substantial amount of leaves, grass clippings, and light debris, minimizing frequent emptying during cleaning sessions.
Number 3. Eyliden Quietly Manual Sweeper. The Eyliden Quietly Manual Sweeper is designed for users who value silent operation and efficient carpet cleaning. Unlike noisy electric vacuums, this manual sweeper works quietly, making it perfect for homes, classrooms, hotels, coffee shops, and other quiet environments. It effectively picks up dust, crumbs, and pet hair without disturbing people around you or interrupting daily activities. The upgraded design features a large 9H cleaning path, allowing faster coverage with fewer passes. Its lightweight and compact structure makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and simple to store when not in use. A notable benefit is the energy-saving manual operation, which requires no batteries or electricity, reducing ongoing costs and environmental impact. The sweeper is specifically optimized for short to medium-length carpets, where it performs best, though it is not recommended for long-pile carpets or hard-textured floors. The rotating brush rules clean effectively in both forward and backward motions, ensuring thorough dirt pickup. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to the included cleaning comb that helps remove trapped hair from the roller. The one-touch trash storage box makes emptying quick and mess-free. With an extra replaceable roller brush included, the Eyliden sweeper offers added value and long-term usability. Overall, it's a practical, quiet, and user-friendly cleaning tool for everyday carpet maintenance. Number 4. GALPADA Rug Manual Sweeper. The GALPADA Rug Manual Sweeper is a convenient and effective cleaning tool designed to handle dust, pet hair, and debris across various floor types. One of its key features is the adjustable height function, which allows users to adapt the sweeper to different surfaces for better cleaning performance. The strong suction capability ensures effective removal of dirt and hair, helping maintain a cleaner and more hygienic environment.
Its push-style design makes operation simple and effortless, allowing quick cleanups without the need for cords or heavy equipment. This makes it especially useful for daily maintenance in homes with pets or high foot traffic. The sweeper is designed to provide effective dirt removal, reducing the need for repeated passes over the same area. Its cordless manual operation saves time and eliminates the hassle of plugging in or charging devices. The GALPADA sweeper is suitable for carpets and certain floor types, offering flexibility for different cleaning needs. Because of its lightweight and ergonomic design, users can clean larger areas without feeling fatigued. Overall, this manual sweeper is a practical choice for those who want a simple, effective alternative to electric vacuums for quick and regular cleaning tasks.
Number 5. Yocada Dust Manual Sweeper. The Yocada Dust Manual Sweeper is a straightforward and efficient cleaning solution designed specifically for carpets and rugs. It performs best on low-pile carpets and undercoat carpets, making it ideal for households that primarily use carpeted flooring. Unlike electric vacuums, this sweeper requires no electricity or cords, allowing for quick, hassle-free cleaning at any time. It is particularly effective at picking up pet hair, crumbs, dust, debris, and small items such as paper clips. The built-in waste collection system eliminates the need for a separate dustpan, simplifying the cleaning process. Emptying the collected debris is easy. Users simply pull up a button to release the contents. Maintenance is also convenient, as the included scrubber brush helps remove hair from the roller. The sweeper is easy to assemble, with clear installation guidance provided through stickers on the poles. It comes with multiple poles, a cleaning brush, and an extra rolling brush, adding to its overall value. A reliable manual carpet sweeper offers a simple, efficient way to maintain clean floors every day. With no cords, no power requirements, and easy operation, it suits quick cleanups and small spaces, delivering dependable results while keeping maintenance minimal and hassle-free.